Welcome plant enthusiasts and green thumbs to our discussion on the wonders of air-purifying indoor oxygen bedroom plants. Today we're exploring the remarkable world of plants that do more than just add a splash of green to your space. They purify your air, boost your mood, and some even enhance your sleep. From the easy care ZZ plant to the lush Monstera Deliciosa, the colorful Flamingo plant to the hardy snake plant, we're going on a journey through 10 of the best indoor plants that can transform your bedroom into a clean, oxygen-rich haven. And here's a little teaser to pique your interest. Did you know that certain plants can actually improve your sleep? Intrigued? Well, you should be. So put on your gardening gloves and grab your watering cans. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of these green, air-purifying wonders. First up, have you ever heard of the ZZ plant? This is one resilient plant that thrives on neglect. Now let's delve into the world of this remarkable green companion. Known also by its scientific name, Zamioculcas zamiofolia, the ZZ plant is a tropical perennial that hails from Eastern Africa. With its waxy, plump leaves and strong stems, it's a stunner that adds a touch of elegance to any room. But the ZZ plant isn't just about good looks. It's a natural air purifier, removing toxins like xylene, toluene, and benzene from the air you breathe. That's right, folks, it's a beauty that cleans. As for care, the ZZ plant is a breeze to maintain. It's drought-tolerant, making it perfect for those who sometimes forget to water their plants. It can survive in low light but prefers bright, indirect light. And it's not fussy about humidity either. Just keep it away from direct sunlight and it'll reward you with its lush green presence. So, who wouldn't want a plant that's pretty, purifies your air, and is tough to kill? How about adding some color to your room with the flamingo plant while also purifying your air? Let's talk about the flamingo plant, also known as anthurium. This tropical beauty is not just pleasing to the eye with its heart-shaped glossy leaves and vibrant flamingo pink flowers, but it's also a champion air purifier. It's been proven to remove harmful toxins such as formaldehyde and ammonia from the air, making it the perfect addition to your bedroom. But the flamingo plant isn't just about purifying your air, it's also pretty easy to take care of. It loves a well-lit spot but not direct sunlight, and it prefers to be watered once the top inch of soil has dried out. And here's a fun fact, those flamingo pink flowers you see aren't actually flowers but modified leaves called spathes. The real flowers are the tiny specks you'll find on the spadix, the spike that rises from the spathe. It's like having a mini, colorful tropical forest right in your bedroom. Imagine having a mini, colorful tropical forest right in your bedroom. Ever wondered if you could turn your bedroom into a lush green sanctuary? Meet the lady palm, Pothos, and Monstera Deliciosa. This trio is not only visually stunning but also champions in purifying your air. Let's start with the lady palm. This elegant palm is native to the warm and humid regions of Asia, making it a resilient choice for your indoor spaces. Its fan-like fronds make it a beautiful addition to your bedroom. But that's not all. Lady palm is a superstar when it comes to air purification, filtering out common household toxins with ease. As for care, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers to keep its soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Next we have the pothos, also known as the devil's ivy. Don't be fooled by its ominous nickname, this plant is an angel in disguise. With its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, it's a stunner that can adapt to a variety of light conditions. But its beauty doesn't stop at its leaves. The pothos is a powerful air purifier, capable of removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from your environment. Just remember to water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. Lastly, let's talk about the Monstera Deliciosa, or the Swiss cheese plant. Known for its unique holy leaves, the Monstera is more than just a pretty face. This tropical beauty is a strong air purifier, removing harmful pollutants from your indoor spaces. It loves bright, indirect light, and prefers its soil to be slightly moist. These three plants not only bring a touch of the tropics to your bedroom but also work tirelessly to improve your air quality. So why not invite them in and let nature do its magic? You'll be breathing easier and sleeping better amid your very own indoor jungle. Who knew you could have a mini jungle that works to purify your air while you sleep? Who said air purifying plants can't be beautiful bloomers? Meet the Phalaenopsis Orchid and Echeveria. The Phalaenopsis Orchid is a tropical beauty that not only brightens up your bedroom but also purifies the air. It's a bit of a diva when it comes to care. It loves indirect sunlight and humidity, so a bathroom window could be its perfect home. It also prefers being watered once a week with rainwater if possible. On the other hand, we have the Echeveria, a hardy succulent with rosette-shaped leaves. This blooming beauty is more than just a pretty face, it's also an air-purifying champion. It's a low-maintenance plant, preferring bright light and a dry environment. All it asks for is a well-draining soil and a drink when its soil is completely dry. So between the tropical diva and the hardy succulent, you have two beautiful bloomers that not only add a touch of beauty to your bedroom, but also help in purifying the air. So, ready to add some blooming beauties to your bedroom? Now let's meet the peace lily, spider plant, and snake plant, the hardy heroes of air purification. First up, the peace lily. This plant is not just a pretty face, it's a hardy warrior, always willing to forgive your occasional neglect. The peace lily is known for its ability to clean the air of toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and carbon monoxide. But what makes it so hardy? It's this plant's ability to thrive in lower light conditions and bounce back from underwatering. Just remember, when those leaves start to droop a little, it's time to give this green hero a drink. Next, we have the spider plant. Don't let the name scare you, this plant is a friend, not a foe. It's one of the easiest houseplants to grow, making it a perfect choice for beginners, or those with a habit of neglecting their green friends. The spider plant fights pollutants including benzene, formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, and xylene. It's a resilient little plant that can tolerate a lot of neglect and still keep your air clean. Finally, we have the snake plant, also known as Dracaena trifasciata. This plant is as hardy as they come. It's a night owl of the plant world, releasing oxygen during the night while most plants do so during the day. Snake plants are excellent for filtering out formaldehyde, which is common in cleaning products, toilet paper, tissues, and personal care products. It's also incredibly drought tolerant, meaning it won't mind if you forget to water it for a while. In conclusion, the peace lily, spider plant, and snake plant are the hardy heroes of air purification. They don't need a lot of light or water to thrive, and they're excellent at purifying the air in your bedroom. So if you want fresh air and don't have a green thumb, these are the plants for you. These are the plants for those who want fresh air even when they forget to water their plants. So, we've explored a variety of air-purifying plants, each with their unique characteristics and beauty. From the Easy Care ZZ plant to the colorful Flamingo plant, we've seen that nature offers an abundance of choices to help us breathe easier and live healthier right in our bedrooms. Let's not forget the lush trio of Lady Palm, Pothos, and Monstera Deliciosa, each bringing a unique touch of greenery and air-purifying qualities to your space. Then there are the blooming beauties, Phalaenopsis Orchid and Echeveria, that not only clean the air but also add a pop of color and charm. And of course the hardy heroes, the peace lily, spider plant, and snake plant. These plants are not only tough and adaptable but also excellent air purifiers, making them perfect for those of us who may not have the greenest of thumbs. These plants are more than just pretty faces. They work tirelessly to purify the air we breathe, absorbing toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. They add life to our spaces, create a calming environment, and can even help us sleep better. So why not make the green decision? Why not invite these leafy companions into your bedroom and let them work their magic? Remember, each plant has its own personality and needs, just like us. Some need more light, some thrive in the shade, some prefer frequent watering, while others are content with less. So find the plant that resonates with you and your lifestyle, and embark on this green journey. We'd love to know which of these air plants you're most excited to grow. Don't forget to share your thoughts, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more plant wisdom. Until next time, stay green. Stay